The equilibrium point is the point of where the weight of the object is considered to act. Here are a few examples of the equilibrium point of regular shapes.
And how about irregular shapes?
Here is one method to determine the equilibrium point of irregular shapes. Hang the irregular shape on 3 points, that is A, B, and C, and suspend a pendulum on each point. The intersection of the 3 lines on the pendulum is the equilibrium point of the irregular shape. The center of gravity is the equilibrium point. It is the point which Earth's gravity acts on an object. Stability is the ability of an object to remain at its original position. There are 2 factors which affect the stability of object: the base area of an object and the height of the center of gravity of an object. Now, let's do 2 mini experiments.
Here are 2 objects, and this is object A, this is object B. Now I'm gonna tilt this board and see which object will topple over first. Object B topple over first.
Object B topples over first because object B has a narrower base area. This shows that an object with a wider base area is more stable than an object with a narrower base area. Now let's look at another experiment.
Object A and object B. Now I'm gonna tilt this board and see which object will topple over first. Object B topple over first.
This is because object B has a higher height of center of gravity. This shows that an object with a lower height of center of gravity is more stable than an object with a higher center of gravity. Stability is important to prevent injuries and accidents. An object should have a larger base area and a lower center of gravity in order to achieve a great stability. Big and heavy animals have short legs such that their center of gravity is lower. This makes them more stable. An old person uses a walking stick to increase his base area. This enables him to walk more stably. A motorcyclist bends his body forward while riding a motorcycle to lower its center of gravity. This increases his stability.
A giraffe stands with its legs wide apart. This increases his base area and lowers its center of gravity. Crawling baby is stable because his center of gravity is low and his base area is wide.